What the hell? What the hell, you idiot? Oh my God! Oh my God!
Scams. They come in all shapes and forms. Some happen at your front door, others in the middle of traffic. And sometimes they hide behind a smile and a fake badge. From fake police officers to staged accidents and bold thefts, these are real moments caught on camera. The only question is, would you see them coming? In Austin, Texas, a man bought an iPhone for $560, only to find out it was stolen. His account was shut down, so he tricked the seller into meeting again and got a refund. But watch closely. Even the refund felt like a scam.
See, nice to meet you. This is the gold one. You said you wanted the gold, right?
Yeah, gold or the other one. I just picked the new one.
This one is more popular. It's more rare right now.
You said your name's Z?
Yeah.
We got two options, Z. I got this phone from you yesterday. I put it on my wife's line. They deactivated my entire AT&T account because it reported stolen. So here's our choices today.
Okay.
I either want my 560 or I want this phone. You pick. And if this one's reported stolen, he filmed you pull it up.
Okay.
He's got you on camera now, and we got this car, and I will find you.
Okay.
So those are the options. Which one do you want to go with?
I'll work with you. I'm just letting. If you want.
Those are the options. 560 right now.
Okay.
Or I'm gonna take this phone, and it better not be stolen. Got me coming all the way down here because you tried to fuck my assistant yesterday.
I didn't mean to, bro. I wasn't.
Those are the choices. Which one do you want to go with?
What's better for you? I can give you your 560 back right now.
Give me the 560.
Trust me, I didn't mean to do that, bro. I buy and sell phones. I apologize. I'm gonna give you 600. I really didn't mean to do that.
This is why you should always be careful when buying secondhand items. What looks like a great deal could be stolen property. Always check the device's IMEI, ask for proof of purchase, and trust your instincts. Because if it seems too good to be true, it probably is. Milton Keynes, England. While waiting for the bus, he dropped a biodegradable cigarette end, but picked it up and put it in the bin. Still, a man claiming to be a council worker threatened him with a £1,000 fine and a criminal record. But is that even a real uniform?
So, what's happened?
Okay, you've dropped your cigarette. Okay, you threw it by the side of you. It's a criminal offence, litter.
Yeah, I picked it up and put it in the bin, haven't I?
Okay, but the offence has already been committed.
Okay.
Right.
I've made a mistake, I've picked it up and put it in the bin,
I
yes?
appreciate you rectifying it, okay, but the offence has still been committed and it would still be there if we weren't having this conversation. Alright? So I still need to take some details from yourself today, sir.
Go away, please.
Okay. Well, I need to deal with you today, alright? You've committed a criminal offence, alright? So I need to take your details. Do you have any form of identification of yourself at all today, sir? Sir? You're well within your rights to record me, okay? But I still need to take some details from yourself today. My camera's also recording, alright? So do you have any form of identification, or do we have to get your details by another means? Hey, sir? There's no point being rude and ignoring me, sir. Is there? How come you're ignoring me? We can do this all day, sir, alright? But it's still not going to change the fact that I need to take your details. Whether I obtain your details and you comply with me, alright? Or the police keep being called and they'll come down and obtain your details, alright? And then you'll have a £1,000 fine for obstruction of an officer.
If something doesn't feel right during an encounter with someone claiming to be an officer, it's always smart to ask for their badge number. Stay calm, stay respectful, but protect yourself. A real officer won't hesitate to identify themselves, and your safety should always come first.
Go down, sir.
United Kingdom, July 2nd, 2017.
What the hell? What the hell, you idiot? Oh my God! Oh my God! What the hell are you doing?
This was a setup, a staged crash, an attempted insurance scam, but what he didn't know was that the driver had a dash cam rolling the entire time.
Do you understand
His plan? Exposed. And thanks to one small camera, the truth couldn't be denied. Ashmore, Queensland, April 24th, 2022. While waiting to get his wipers changed, one man witnessed something you don't see every day.
Shit from the store, do you want me to ring the cops?
Bring the cops, right?
Ring the cops.
Let my fucking thing go!
No.
Let my baby go!
You haven't even
Hey!
got in there.
Hey! Man! Let go! What? Let go of me! You can have the fucking riders, man! Don't take my baby!
Oh, gee.
Oh, you
All right,
can
box
have it!
it. There's a box
You
there.
can have it, I said! You can have the fucking rider, mate!
You can have the
What? Yes! There you go!
And the rest you got.
A woman with a pram, screaming, running, and being chased by a store employee, but something was off. There was no baby in the pram, just stolen goods. Still, she shouted, "Don't touch my baby!" But there was no baby, only merchandise she had tried to sneak out. Etobicoke, Ontario, May 23rd, 2016. Fresh back from a long weekend in Niagara Falls, this couple walked straight into an unexpected situation. Just minutes after entering their home, the wife received a suspicious phone call. But luckily, she recognized the
That is
scam.
option number 1.
Okay.
Option number 2. On the recorded call, if you are accepting that you didn't make the mistake intentionally, this will be just like a mistake. So the Act number 1928, the Revenue Canada giving you the fair chance to resolve the case out of the courthouse. You just need to go ahead and make a payment which you owe with the Revenue Canada by the electronic federal tax payment service. Once you make a payment, your resolvement is going through, rent will be going to cancel.
Okay.
Now what will be your intention? You need to let me know. You need to go ahead and fight the case with the Revenue Canada inside of the courthouse, or you need to go ahead and resolve the case to make a payment to the Revenue Canada.
Yeah, we want to fight against it.
May
I'm not sure about that. So just be seated at your home. I'm just going to forward your case file to the local police department. Okay?
Okay.
Yeah, you can go ahead and do that. You can go screw yourself.
Then motherfucker.
If you get a call from a number you don't recognize and something feels off, it could be a scammer. Don't take it at face value. Never share personal or banking information over the phone, no matter how convincing they sound. When in doubt, hang up. Real companies don't pressure you like that. In Singapore, June 11th, 2017, a normal drive with 2 kids in the back seat until something strange appeared ahead.
Oh, okay. Oh, it's this type of people. Hi, I'm at some way to. This was my car, and dive on top of my car. I got a car cam with me. Yeah, you know where all the dog farm, and it's getting violent. You lock the door. Okay. Say again. There's this place called the Pet Mover. Okay. Pet Mover. Chinese guy, yeah. He is destroying my bonnet now. Okay, thanks. Bye. I give you $3,000. Hey, you don't run away, you know. What, you are sorry, you don't run away, you know. You destroyed my car, you don't run away, you know. That was quick. You are the wife, you are the daughter. Sorry, this kind of father is coming.
May 21st, 2017, Richmond, Virginia. Sometimes things aren't quite what they seem. A woman regularly seen panhandling on the streets caught the attention of two friends, one of whom remembered her for being especially rude when he declined to give her money. But then came a twist. They spotted a social media post suggesting this woman may not be homeless at all and might even own a car.
Just wondering why you have a 2014 when you're begging for change all over the city of Richmond. You're on.
Don't you leave me alone.
You're viral. You're on Facebook. You're the talk of the town this morning. What would you like to say to everybody in Richmond?
You know what? That's it.
How much did you make today? How much is in that bag?
I'm calling the cops on you right
Good.
now. You better get me off your cell phone.
Everyone, be warned. How much you make today? I'm gonna go to McDonald's. You're parking in their parking lot and not being a customer either.
You have complete right to say, just don't touch her.
I know. We've stalked you for the last hour and a half.
Hey,
I want you to see something. How do you feel about this?
these people will leave me alone. Can you tell me why are they taking pictures of me and my
We have a right. This is a free country. We're not doing anything. Did you know that she parks in your parking lot every day and has never spent $1 here and begs for change on
That's her
side of
car
car
right there,
every day?
Fiat.
Next time you see that car,
She's free to leave. Is all. We can't stop her from getting in the car and driving away.
this is it's on NBC 12 on Facebook. This is gonna go viral. It already is viral. Thank you. We got everything we need.
That's illegal.
Come here.
I don't know what to say. You got a phone? Yeah, I've got a phone. Call police if you need to, but there's nothing that I can do. As
They
long
can't
as
do anything
they're not
either.
putting their hands on you or anything like that.
We can't stop her from getting in her car and driving away either.
Can you tell me why they're doing this?
Because it's wrong.
She has nothing to do with you.
I just work here. I don't know why.
You should know why it's wrong. It's wrong.
You can ask them though. They're the ones. So why are y'all doing this?
Because it's wrong.
You're taking people's money. You have look at your car. What year is that?
It's wrong.
What year is that vehicle?
What is he talking about?
How much? Where do you live?
What's he talking about?
It's
You're
wrong
begging
what
for
you're
money.
doing.
What do you want?
You're begging money. Why do you do that? Why do you do
Okay, well, then
that?
go do it to
Stop
the
stealing people.
So
Yeah.
what do you have? What's problem do you have with me?
Because
Stop
we're
stealing
gonna-
people's money.
we're
Stop
gonna
begging
follow
for money.
too
You own
and
a
see what
car.
kind of house you
You're
bought.
not homeless. Some people are really
Okay.
homeless. Some people are really homeless
Okay,
and need
so
help.
do you think that people have to stand out here because they're homeless?
Why do you stand
People
out here?
Because I have
What
a
does your
disability.
sign say?
What are you disabled from? What's your nature of disability?
your sign
What is
say?
the nature of disability? What
That's
is it?
none of your business.
Because you
I
don't have a
big
disability.
May I
problems.
see
You
your
don't have a
sign?
disability.
What does your
You don't have a
sign say?
disability.
Your sign says you're homeless.
Well, you better leave me alone. Excuse me.
We're not stopping you from getting in your car and leaving. Go ahead and get in your car and leave.
Can you tell me
What does he have to do with you?
If anything, sir, she parks in your
I
parking
can't even
lot
get
all
my
day.
vehicle.
She parks in your
because they're
parking lot. That's her
houses.
car. And she goes and begs for money on the corner. That's her car right there.
Y'all are barking up the wrong tree. I'm telling you right now.
I bark wherever I want to bark.
No, you don't bark around me. You got it?
What are you gonna do? You don't have a, you're
Why
begging for
are you
money.
me?
You're begging for money. Look at your car.
What do you want from me, you stupid? What do you want from me? Someone's gonna end up killing you. You
How? For what? What am I doing?
harassing me.
I'm not harassing
That's why.
anybody. You're stealing people's money.
That's why. You're harassing me.
If you notice that someone asking for money isn't actually homeless, don't give them anything. Scammers often pretend to be in need to take advantage of your kindness. Always trust your instincts
Are you threatening
and don't let
death
fake
upon
stories
me?
fool you.
It's a nice ride.
Go away from me.
It's a nice ride. How much do you get from the government or the state and disability every single month?
Go away.
How much?
from
How
me,
much do you get?
stupid.
How much do you get?
Hey.
I just want to know how much you get.
Scammers are everywhere, and they're getting smarter. Stay alert, trust your instincts, and never be afraid to ask questions. Because the best way to fight back is to see the scam before it happens. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you never miss a warning.